Hi, this is an introduction to the lecture series, video lecture series on the ultrasound educational website www.sonoshare.in on the topic sonography of the urinary tract. Now, sonography of urinary tract has been covered in an audio video book of various lectures on various topics of the ultrasound of the urinary tract. So if you go through these lectures, it covers all the topics on sonography of the urinary tract, namely the technique, kidney and renal pelvis, technique, ureter and bladder, congenital anomalies in the urinary tract, part 1, kidney, congenital anomalies of urinary tract, part 2, collecting system and ureter, congenital anomalies of the urinary tract, part 3, urinary bladder and urethra, renal cystic disease, calcifications in the urinary tract, part 1, kidney, calcifications in the urinary tract, part 2, ureter, bladder and urethra, urinary tract infection, urinary tuberculosis, gas in urinary bladder, and trauma to the urinary tract. So all these topics are covered in video lectures with plenty of illustrations and images and videos. So if you'd like to view these lecture videos, you can go to www.sonoshare.in, and this will be the home page, and either you can click on the category or view all categories, and once you click on that view all categories, you will go to the list of various categories available, and here it shows the ultrasound of the urinary tract, protocol, anatomy, normal and abnormal. So you click on this and you will go to, if you click on this, you will go to the category of ultrasound of the urinary tract. Alternatively, you can click on the category here and you'll select the ultrasound of the urinary tract. And once you click on the ultrasound of the urinary tract, it will go to the subscription page. You can subscribe and view the lectures. So these lectures are updated lectures covering on the entire sonography of the entire urinary tract. Now, if you any practice of medicine, it is best done with proper understanding of the basics. So if you would like to understand the basics of ultrasound, you can go to the training course in the same site called Applied Physics and Basic Principles of Sonography, which covers the various topics of applied physics, of grayscale sonography, orientation of an image, probe movements, the Doppler of physics of Doppler, and then propagation of ultrasound, signs and artifacts, how to meddle with the knobs, basic principles of a sonographic scan. All these topics are covered in detail with a lot of videos using a mannequin and the probe, showing the probe movements and the normal anatomy, protocols, etc. So if you would like to subscribe this also, in the same site, you can see the training. Click on the training. You will see the drop down of the various training courses. And here is the foundation course, Applied Physics and Basic Principles. So you click on this, it will go to the payment page, subscription page of the Applied Physics and Basic Principles. And you can subscribe and see the lectures. The introduction to the sonography of the urinary tract and the basics of ultrasound, if you would like to start from basics. And the website is www.sonoshare.in. Thank you.